Hello everyone, this is Kishore. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share market index analysis and which index is looking good to me and also two stocks that are looking good for longs. This is not a financial advice, just for knowledge purpose only. Let's jump into the show. CNN Fear and Greed Index, it is in the neutral. We know that last week also it is in the neutral. So the market is in the neutral itself. I mean, it's not going fear, it's not going to the greedy level as quick. And this is by monthly chart. Monthly chart looking really, really good to me. There is no weakness in the chart, but the only concern is the volume is low. The candle is really good. RSA is going up, and CIS is also above 100. And SPY weekly chart, last week it is a spinning top candle. So, and this week it closed below that, confirming that lower downside is still possible. And RSA is going down, and the CIS is also going down. And the volume is same as the previous week volume. There is no weakness in the volume. And SPY daily chart, Friday, it hit the anchor VWAP of the monthly May 1st lows, and then it jumped and it closed above 526 level, which is very, very good for the bulls. But looks like this is a dealer's play as month is closing and it is Friday. Let's see how it will going to be happen on Monday, whether it is goes up above 526. If it goes above 526, then 533 is the limit or the upper target for this week for to me, and the lower side support is at 518 level. And this is percentage of stocks about 20-day moving average in the SPY. It came up to 25 level. My target is 14 or 15. Whenever it comes to the 14 or 15, that I consider the buy signal. But it came to the 25 level and then jumped from there to the 47. So let's see whether in the next week it goes up or it goes down. And this is RSP, S&P equal weighted index, and it looks good to me. The CSA is going up and RSA is going up, and the candle is really, really good candle, but the volume is low. As I said earlier, Friday volume or Friday rally looks like market dealers rally. Let's see what comes in the Monday. And this is QQQ monthly chart. Again, the candle looks really, really good to me, but the only concern is the volume. RSA is going up and CSA is above 100. So monthly chart, there is no weakness on the QQQ. And QQQ weekly chart looks like it's a bearish candle to me, and the RSI is going down, CSA is going down. So until analysis close above 458 level, there is a higher chance it can go down. And there is a dark pool came at the end of the day, Friday. There's a 150 million, near 150 million dark pool came. Let's see whether it is a sell dark pool or buy dark pool. We'll know that on Monday and Tuesday. And this is QQQ daily chart. Again, it hit the anchor VWAP of the May 1st, and then it bounced from there and closed above that 0.236 level, which is good for the bulls. But if it goes below that 449 level, then again there is a high chance it can come back to the 442 level. The CSA is going down. If it goes below zero, I mean if it goes negative, that's very tough for the bulls to handle that one. And this QQQE equal weighted QQQ index, again this looks bearish to me. It hit the previous high last week, and then and then it made a spinning top kind of candle, and then this week it closed it below of that, and CSA is going down, RSA is going down. So QQQ looks a little bit weaker to me. And this is a high yield index, corporate index. I look this one to know to see any divergence with that indexes, but right now it is within the channel of that range, like 78 and 76. If it breaks below of this channel, then it's a bearish to me. If it breaks above, then it's a bullish to me on the index side. And this is IWM small cap index, is a monthly chart. The candle looks good to me, but again the volume is a little bit concerned to me. The volume is low, but the RSA and the CC is also good to me. And this IWM weekly chart, again it is in the within the channel of 210 and 195. If it cross 210, then it is good for the bulls. If it breaks 195 level, then it's not good for the bulls, and again the bears will take the advantage. And this IWM daily chart, it looks good to me. It bounced on anchored way up of the May 1st lows, and then it closed above that 0.236 level of the Fibonacci level. And also the volume is good in this index, and the RSI is going up, CSA is going up. Compared to SPY and QQQ, IWM looks a little bit better to me. And this is Dow Jones Industrials monthly chart. The candle is good, even though the previous month candle is very bearish candle. This month it closed above 50% of that previous bearish candle, which is good sign for the bulls. And this is a weekly chart for the Dow Jones Industrials. The candle is good. It looks like it's a bullish candle to me, like a kind of reversal candle. It can go up. The volume is good. We know that the Friday's volume is really, really good. I'll show that in the daily chart. That's the reason the volume also good on the weekly chart. But the only concern is CSA is below zero. It should come back above zero. Then that makes sense to the bulls for the Dow Jones Industrial. Again, the RS is also above 50, but it needs to be turned up and it goes up. And this Dow Jones Industrials daily chart, you can clearly see on Thursday it made a spinning top kind of candle, which is a trend reversal candle. And on Friday, very big bullish candle. And the volume is up on the Thursday and the Friday. RSI is going up, CCI is going up from the minus 100 to the above, so which is a good sign for the bulls. If I compare SPY, QQQ, IWM, Dow Jones Industrial, Dow Jones Industrials index is looking really good to me compared to any other index. And this is McDonald's daily chart. It looks good to me. It filled the gap at 250 level on Wednesday, and again on Friday it jumped. It made a new gap here and jumped up. And the volume is really, really good. And the CCI is going up and RSI is going up. Looks like it can go up to the 265 level. That's the first resistance I see here. And if it goes below, I mean, if it breaks, if it goes below on Monday or Tuesday, then the gap can act as a support for the MACD. And this is PepsiCo daily chart. Again, this looks really good to me. The volume is a very nice volume, and the RSI is going up, CCI is going up, and there is a gap here, and also the Fibonacci level of 0.5 level, and there is a previous resistance level. So when I have a confluence of resistance like gap, Fibonacci level, and the previous high, then that acts as a magnet to me. I feel like that's an magnet. So 176.49, most probably it can go up to that level and can act as a resistance there. And the summary is Friday rally looks like an end of month dealers play. Let's see what comes on the Monday. If it's the rally is real, there is a follow through on Monday, then it's good for the bulls. QQQ got a decent sized dark pool on Friday after market close. There is a 150 nearly 150 million dark pool came after market close, but we do not know whether it's a sell dark pool or a buy dark pool. We will know that on Monday and Tuesday if it QQQ closes below 452, then mostly it would be a sell dark pool. If it closes above 453, then mostly it would be a buy dark pool. Market breadth is still weak. I see very limited upside possibilities. As I said earlier, to move the market, either we need options or we need the dark pools, or the futures should tell us like there is a high chance of the upside, or the bonds. And neither of them is giving any sign of upside target to me, like new highs. So let's see whether previous highs breaks or not on the coming week. Dow Jones index is looking better than any other index. As I said earlier, if I compare SPY, QQQ, IWM, Dow Jones Industrial is looking good to me compared to other three indices. And PepsiCo and MACD charts are looking better for longs. As I shared the charts, the both MACD and the PepsiCo charts looking good to me based on the volume and the RSI and CCI levels. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please watch more videos in my channel. If you like them, please subscribe. Please hit the bell icon so that you get notification when I upload new video. Please share this content if any of your friends looking similar kind of content. Thank you so much. Bye bye.